You know what you need? You need the 5 steps to scripting your e-learning content. We're gonna go through each of them today, and we're gonna draw a picture.
There we go. We also got a free masterclass, which is linked below, because we care about you. We know that you're trying to create an e-learning program and an online course successfully,
with you.
Which is why we created this free masterclass, so you can always do it successfully.
I'm Johnny Havey. We're the co-founders of eLearning Partners. The first step to scripting your e-learning content. Let's sing about it. Identify your learners. That is step 1. If you don't know who your learners are, sign up for our free masterclass. We're gonna help you figure it out. But what do we call that, Hector?
A PLP, everybody.
PLP.
A PLP. That is the name of the game.
So that is step 1. Once you do step 1, you are ready for step 2. What is step 2? You go to the zoo.
You don't go to the zoo, but instead you write the learner transformation statement, short for LTS. Actually, long for LTS. I keep doing that.
Now, if you want to learn in depth how to build an LTS, build it. Go and sign up for our free masterclass linked right below this video. But here is what the basics of the LTS are. Align. No, just kidding. So we have our point A, and then we have our point Z. The LTS is the statement that brings the point A to the point Z. And your learner, your PLP, I need another color, starts at the point A, and then they're transformed at the point Z. Number 3 is your milestones. This is similar to learning outcomes. What is a learning outcome? What is a milestone? We have a whole video all about it, but this is what your PLP actually learns along the way. So now that you've identified your learners, you have that LTS, your script follows all of this. So your script starts with the A, it ends with the Z, and then you're gonna have milestones. We recommend to have 3 to 5 milestones.
Now, the 4th thing after milestones is modules.
And within
milestones, there are modules.
Within those milestones, you're gonna have at least 3 modules per. Now, we have some programs that have 20 modules within the milestone.
20.
So now what we're really getting to is your script is going to be about these individual modules. Now, A, Z, what are these letters? The rest of the letters in the alphabet. You're filling it in with those letters. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna break down those modules into action-based content. So you can see right here what this looks like from a scripting perspective. You have those milestones, you have those modules, and within those modules, you have the 3 main points that you're gonna cover. Now, within those 3 points, you wanna make sure, and I'm running out of room, that those 3 points are action-based. So you want action-based content. Your script needs to be action-based. If your script isn't action-based, don't bother creating the program. So those are the 5 steps to scripting your e-learning content. Look at it, download it, buy it.
Remember, we got that free masterclass for you, so go down, it is linked below, get free and instant access to it, and thank you so much for the likes and the subscribes.